Yes guys, welcome back to a new vlog. Today we're going to be joining the Four Pipes breakfast run, and yeah, not too many cars here at the moment, but we'll see how it goes. Yes, it's all kicking off, gents. Yes. Oh, what a way to start the morning, gents. It's been way too long since we've done one of these again. Oh my word, it's so good to be back. There's a lot of people, a lot of cars, and it's only the beginning, so there should be a lot more coming through. It's all kicking off. Are you mad? Got the brand new M2 rolling up as well over here. Black on black on black. Looking absolutely menacing. Yes. What was that? This is madness. And we've got Romeo here. Yes.
Wait. Is that a Supra? Is it?
Yes. There's a Supra here as well. Sure. This is very cool.
TRD badge, tuned by HKS.
Yes. 3 liter as well. As you can see, there are quite a lot of people and cars around at the moment. I didn't expect so many people to turn up, but I mean, just look at this. It is absolutely packed, this whole line of the road. It's insane. So yeah, today's going to be pretty awesome, gents. I think we are going to go the whole way with Romeo, so stay tuned. Yes, so it looks like everyone's going to be on their way out now. You can see the whole line of cars over there, but yeah, we've also got that up there, and we've got revving over there. It's all kicking off, gents. It's all kicking off. Yes. Oh my word. Got the cops pulling up over here, got everyone else leaving, so I think we're also going to be on our way. So yeah. See. That sounds good. Come on, Ruby, we've always got the same power. Come on, let's go. Yes!
Sideways.
Yes.
You're getting the 92 content that you guys always wanted.
Yes.
Check the oh, you missed it.
Yes. Go. Sounds good. Okay, so we just pulled over here at a stopping point just after the N1, so yeah, just waiting for all the cars to regroup or whatever. Let's get it. Yes. Yes. Mad lad. So yeah, looks like the guys are already on their way out, so we're gonna be, yeah, see, look there. Yeah, see. That guy's spinning everywhere.
Yes!
Yes!
We came to the garage and Oaks are taking photographs.
Yes, let's hoy him in the yes! And the panda! Yes!
James May would be proud.
James May would be proud. Yes,
He's
is that
still
kid still going? What the hell? Yes! It's absolute chaos here. I think we're going to be leaving now. Be on our way to the end point. Got some of the cars still parked on the side. Looks like we stopped at the wrong spot because everyone's still parked off on the side of here, just a little bit further up the road. Yeah, I've got everyone waiting on the side, everyone's just chilling, so I guess we also are gonna stop again. Let's just find a parking spot. Got a lot of M cars today, which is, you know, we always love a bit of M cars here on the channel. So yeah, it's already a good day as you've seen, but who knows what else is to come. We just found a parking all the way up front and you can just see how many cars are here today. I mean, just look at that. How's it, how's it? There you go. Got some really, really cool M cars. Loving this M4 with that M Performance wing on the back. Oof. Oh, legend. Legend, sure. Sorry, sir, what do you do for a living?
I'm a mechanic.
You're a mechanic?
I'm a mechanic.
Sure. Yes. To get an E92 M3 like this, my boy. Yes. I think I'm in the wrong profession here.
Yeah, you should become a mechanic.
Ah, okay, I see. Thanks, boss.
But I see the YouTube money gets you Ferraris though. So
Where? Sorry, we got some madness that side.
it's broken. Just say it's at home.
Oh, okay, I see.
Don't
Is
tell
that?
them it's a rental.
Okay. Words of advice. All right.
Rent it, but don't say.
Okay, cool. Yeah. I think that's what we should do for the next one.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then we just say YouTube money, or we say we're delivering our friend's Ferrari.
There we
Or
go.
just bought it.
Coming soon to a vlog
soon.
near you.
Yes.
Coming soon to a vlog. Just watch out. Yes. The community has come out. So it looks like we've made it here to the end point. It wasn't too much of a long run, but It was quite fun, so we're just gonna go in at this entrance because we couldn't be bothered to wait in that line.
Turn left. And then turn left.
Ah, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. We are here. We've just made it here to the end point now, and I don't know what's gonna happen here, but I better get stuck. Doing a spot of rallying. Yes. Look at them. Yes.
That's auto. That's auto. My jacket too.
How was that rally experience?
Ryan will step up his game.
Yes, yeah, Ryan, what are you doing, boy? Look at this. Yes. Yeah, we all parked up over here. Got quite a few cars actually. Got that bad boy right there looking absolutely mean, all blacked out. But yeah, I think we're just gonna hang around, have a bit of breakfast, and wait for the cars to leave. So the rain is starting to come down now. As you can see, it's getting really, really wet. I mean, it was pretty much wet the whole way, and some guys are leaving at the moment. But yeah, this video might be cut a bit short, I don't know. Oh, E92 sounds so good, boys. Hopefully one day we can get one of those cars, because damn, I love that thing. Hey, we've got Mac Media here. Yes, sis. Yes, sis. Jy slaat het lekker there, slaat het lekker, hoi hoi. Yes, sis. Oh, that's funny. Smoking away there. Oh my word. Yes, we're out here in the weather, boys and girls. Oh my word, it's absolutely chucking it down now at the moment, but we're out here for the content, boys. Look there, yes, even the Nissan van, NP200, yes. But yeah, just waiting for some more cars to come through, but damn, this weather not playing its part today. Sass. Yo, that's crazy. Also got an F80 coming through here. Got the E92 rolling up here as well. Looking so fine. Shoo. Well, that's pretty much the end of the vlog, gents. It is way too wet, and yeah, I'm not gonna hang around here for too long, so I think it's time to head home. Yes, it's so wet.
Yes.
Oh,
This is wet.
I know. Yes, zondergooiing there. But anyways, cheers.